Welcome to Everlee in Hoover, Alabama. Everlee is a large master-planned community covering over 800 acres. Plans call for around 2,344 homes total across multiple phases. With over 500 homes built so far and hundreds occupied since 2023, construction continues. The community features areas like Sage Park for families, Primrose for active adults 55+, the cottages and lofts at Primrose. New home sites and infrastructure are still being added in ongoing phases. It's situated between Lake Cyrus and Ross Bridge, with access via Highway 150. Residents already use the Village Square Amenity Center, which fully opened in late 2025. It includes a large zero-entry pool, pickleball courts, fitness areas, game rooms, pet wash stations, and outdoor gathering spaces. In 2026, a new playground is scheduled to open in spring for family use. The dedicated Primrose Amenity Center for the 55+ section is projected for summer 2026, adding more tailored facilities. Walking trails are expanding to connect all community areas. Further ahead, Sage Park will get its own amenity center around summer 2027, with features like a pool and social spaces. More than 200 acres are set aside for parks, trails, and recreation as the development progresses toward full build-out. Everlee keeps evolving with these planned playgrounds, additional centers, connected trails, and more homes in the years ahead. As more home sites develop and infrastructure like trails and gathering spaces take shape, the community grows steadily to accommodate families, active adults, and multi-generational living over the coming years. Thanks for joining this aerial and street-level look at what's ahead for Everlee in Hoover.